we going, it's too fast to live. They be saying we too young to die. I've been knowing that ignorance bliss. Yeah, I know it ain't too hard to lie.
Yo, what's up guys, BNVLNT. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like Lil Tecca in the song On Your Own on this new album he just dropped called Dopamine. And I know I just dropped a Lil Tecca preset not too long ago, but this is a new updated preset based on a new album. So without further ado, this is Lil Tecca, On Your Own.
Let the message on red. I'm not trying to talk. Give a fuck what you say. Give a fuck what you thought. Tell me when you doing better. Saying that you need some time on your own. You trying to get broke and famous. Nigga, I'd rather be rich and unknown.
So that was On Your Own by Lil Tecca. Now let's just hop straight into FL Studio so I can show you guys this preset. So as always, I'm gonna show you guys my raw vocals before I show you the preset so you guys can hear what it's doing. So I'm gonna turn off all these presets, and this is my raw vocals trying to sound like Lil Tecca.
Give a fuck what you said. Give a fuck what you thought.
Okay, so really not good. But yeah, I'm gonna just turn on these presets real quick, and this is what it sounds like.
Let them messages on red. I'm not trying to talk. Give a fuck what you said. Give a fuck what you thought. Tell me when you doing better. Saying that you need some time on your own. You tryna get broke and famous. I'd rather be rich and unknown. How we going, it's too fast to live. They be saying we too young to die. I've been knowing that ignorance bliss. Yeah, I know it ain't too hard to lie. In this shit you gon' get what you give. How you saying it's too hard to try? If you seen all this shit through my lens, probably make all your shit multiply.
So yeah, that's what those presets sound like. And as always, all of these presets are completely free. The only preset in this that isn't free is this master preset. And for this cover, I did use my Best Waves master preset, which is on my website. But if you'd rather have this whole FLP, which comes with this FLP that you see on your screen, as well as a template ready to record in, it'll also come with this Best Waves master preset and a stock master for those of you that don't have Waves plugins. You can go ahead and buy that for $15 instead of spending $10 on the masters. But like I said before, these Lil Tecca presets are free. You don't have to buy anything if you don't want to, but I appreciate those of you who do because you guys are changing my life, so thank you so much. But for those of you that just want the free presets, they will be in the Discord. All you have to do is go to the Discord in the description, scroll down here to where it says BNVLNT presets, and then the Lil Tecca presets will be right here. And then if you scroll up, there's hundreds of free presets in there that you guys can use to make your songs better. So yeah, just play around with those presets and make some good music. But real quick, the last thing I'm gonna show you guys is how to actually use these presets once you drag them in. So for this one, I did include a recording preset just so you guys can have one, because I've had a lot of people ask me for one. And I'm gonna show you guys in this video how I use a recording preset, because it's a little different than some people. And I'm not gonna say it's the best way because I understand why other people do other ways, but I'm gonna show you guys why I do it this way. Okay, so real quick, I'm just gonna delete these Lil Tecca vocals, and then I'm gonna change this track mode to the recording preset, just so I can show you guys how to use this recording preset. So all you want to do is you want to click right here and you want to click on whatever input you're using. I recently got a new interface, so now I'm using input 1. You guys should be able to hear me now with the recording preset on. And essentially this recording preset just has auto-tune, noise gate, EQ, and compressor, just like a little bit. That way you can actually hear yourself over the song. So essentially what I do with this is you just record in this track. So let me press record.
Let the message on red.
And then if you recorded something and you like how it sounded on top of the other vocals, you just drag it down into whatever preset sounds best.
Let the message on red.
And it's just a really easy way to get harmonies down really quick, because you can actually hear yourself. And then obviously when you're recording the main vocals too, let me record just the main vocal real quick.
Let the message on red.
You could just drag it down and it sounds like this.
Let the message on red.
So it's just a really easy way to quickly record. Some people use recording presets that have post EQ on, which essentially glues all of these effects onto the actual vocal itself. But I'm still using external input only. So it's still recording raw vocals, and then you could just drag them into the presets, which does have auto-tune and EQ and noise gate, compressor. It has all that on the presets. So essentially, this recording preset is just for you to be able to hear yourself. It's not actually going onto the vocals. It's not a part of your mix. It's just so that you can hear yourself. So yeah, that's how I use my recording preset. I just started using one recently, and it's made my workflow a lot faster when making music, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. But yeah, last thing I'm gonna show you guys real quick before I end this video is the auto-tune settings, just in case you guys do have different auto-tunes than me. So for this song, it was in the key of E minor. I used a retune speed of 6 and a humanize of 15 on the main vocal. And then on the ad-libs, I used a retune speed of 3 and a humanize of 35. And I used the same settings for both of those. So yeah, that's all I got for this video. So if it helped you out at all, please leave a like, comment which artist you think I should do next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.